Thousands of artists over thousands of years work side by side, grinding pigments, sharpening chisels, painting at easels. These artists passed along a tradition in drawing, painting, and sculpture. The Atelier at Flowerfield continues in this historic tradition, relaying classical art education in a contemporary setting. Located on the North Shore of Long Island, housed in beautiful natural light studios, the Atelier at Flowerfield is a crossroads of art and community, a place where professional artists come alongside students of diverse backgrounds and ages. I believe there's a yearning, there's a desire for people to be around people. There's a desire for us to work with our hands and to create and to actually see things materially come out of our own hands. And one of my desires as director of the Atelier at Flowerfield is to connect people with other people and to see two students at an easel teaching each other while a teacher comes over and teaches the two of them. So it's a dialogue.
With Kevin, I studied for the past 6 years, and now I'm very honored to say that I'm teaching alongside of him. My teachers, especially Kevin, have given me the best of what European tradition and American creativity have to offer. And I didn't know that that type of classical training was available. And not only was it available in Europe, it was available here in Long Island.
I was born and raised in Russia. While living there, I could not pursue a career in art. Instead, I studied foreign languages. I moved to the United States, and I saw this as an opportunity to build my life doing something that I really love. Art was something that I wanted to do. I enrolled in studio arts major and spent the next few years immersed in painting and drawing. As a teacher, I help my students to see the world through the eyes of an artist. And we work on their technical skills so they can express their vision.
I studied myself at the Art Students League in the city and also at the Cecil Graves Studio in Florence, Italy. Same place where Kevin studied as well. So we both have that foundation of old world atelier. Basically, my teaching philosophy is to kind of teach the students to see values in an academic way by discerning shapes, values, and color, whether it's portraiture, figurative work, or just charcoal drawings.
We succeeded in procuring tax-exempt status for the atelier. This is very important because it brings great value to many of the other art institutions in our area. As our atelier grows and expands, we will be working with them to bring more artists, more art events to the whole community of St. James, the Three Villages, and Port Jefferson.
I find it more than an art school, it's a community that's growing together, and we're all sharing different places that we are that integrate into our art and art into our life. So when we do that, it becomes alive, it becomes, it's actually multiplied because people are learning next to you and you start to glean off of what they've captured, and it starts to encourage one another. So that's a great environment to be in for me.
In an age of mass production, in an age of instant results, come to a place that is set apart. Come to the studios that are committed to slow and silent craft. Come to the place where the past connects to the present and where the craftsmanship of the present brings art into the future. To the crossroads of art and community, the Atelier at Flowerfield.